Okay, getting my first liquid in since I found this goo packet that I ate. It's on the trail. I see it there last week. Let's get some liquid in. I'm sure the directions say. Right as I light this up, I'm like, okay, I'll give him some space. We're over there charging up the bushes. Make sure you put your fires out, guys. It is fire season. I don't even like smoking over anything like this that could be easily sparked. So I go out over the dirt where I know nothing's gonna catch. Thinking my route. Instead of going off the mountain, how about we redirect back? Where would we go? Cabin to Cougar. %31% in charging, that's rough. Okay. Here, instead of going down SST, I think I'm going to go back. Cabin, 187, Oli, Kaiser, Mullet, Cheech and Chong's Wild Ride, Dog Patch, Lost Giants, and he's back. Anyway, got a rider, wanted to ask where I was going, and kept saying, oh man, getting our workout in the heat, and got quite the hike, because we're at the summit or whatever of kind of the highest point you can get on this side of the mountain. Yeah, there's the topograph is the top right there. It spreads out. Anyway, I told him my route, and then kept saying, oh, the heat, I don't know. I was like, yeah, I'm riding one wheel, and it's like, oh, mind if I take a look, and told him about it, but I feel like I just start going way too into a bunch of shit. So, okay, assuming I'm gonna get some good regen, let's pull this off the charger here in like a second, and then fucking get going. Is gonna be Cabin to 187, over to Ole to Kaiser to Mullet, because I know these are all downhill trails. Cheech and Chong's Wild Ride. I could jump over onto Pony Express if the top off of Cheech and Chong's Wild Ride's too gnarly or something. Then Road 2200 gets me over to Dog Patch or Lone Wolf. Wait a minute, actually I probably like 911 better. 911. Kaiser to Mullet. Go up here. I don't want to go up there. I don't want to go up that high. Okay, so Cheech and Chong's Wild Ride, Dog Patch or something. Or Pony Express if I feel like. Yeah, actually Pony Express. Let's get over to Pony Express. And that'll get us over to Pigs. Hell yeah. Yeah, I love pigs. Okay. Let's pull it off the charger. And get going.